Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, very specifically we are focusing on padding. So what is padding? So padding is nothing but very simple concept you will learn here. So let's see by putting something like save this padding. Now we are trying. So earlier lecture we have seen how the margins are created outside the box. Very simple. And now we are seeing when we are taking a box, how to handle inside the text. How to handle inside the text to making alignments of top, right, bottom, left. So the clockwise or anti-clockwise you may remember yourself. So for this, we have a padding top, padding right, padding bottom, padding left. These features are available and specifying the length, percentage and inherit. Inside the code, we have features are available to implement. So let's see one by one how we are going to writing and learning these things. So here we take first we will take, these things are possibly whichever you require to put background colors and all. Yes, you may put. These colors are also fine, no? So I'll take this one now. And now these padding. Yes, padding. First I'm taking top as 50 px. 50 px only. Save this. And see, when I am refreshing the page, let observe very clearly inside the text of the box. So reload. Wow, the 50% is there. So accordingly, earlier we have seen outside the box. Now we are seeing inside the box. Padding right, it's around 30. I'm not giving exactly all the values. You may try your examples with your custom values. Alright. So first top right is over. Now left I'm giving around something 50 px I'll give, and padding bottom will give around 80 or 60, whatever you like. So to understanding whether it is applying or not, you have to give separate different values over there. So reload. Wow, we are getting top, bottom, left and right very low value, 30 I think I given. So it is showing this way. So why this is the very useful? Whenever you are dealing with the div element, with the text or images, and you want to make it either left alignment or center alignment or top alignment, which is a very helpful for you to control your environment with this particular padding. So you have a control over the padding for applying these properties of top, right, bottom, left with px values of the length by specifying. Alright. So I hope it's very simple and easy lecture. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.